Hey guys, welcome back, and on today's episode of Aussie Restorations, I'm going to be painting this miniature engine. So this engine right here in this buggy is about 13 years old. She is worn out and she will barely turn on. I've taken it to the RC shop and got them to have a look at it, and they said it's gone. So which is fair enough. I'd believe them because yeah, I've tried everything and I had a look in the engine and it's all scored up and she's buggered. So I am replacing it with this much bigger and better one. This one is a size 28 and that one is a 21. So probably right about now I have confused a lot of you. This is not a cooking channel, guys. But we do got to use the oven. Hot. Uh-oh. Oh, it smells good. Oh, it is very hot. Ah, careful. Oh, there we go. Whoa. Look at that. Okay, so it is now out of the oven. I'm just gonna let it cool down a little bit because yeah, it's kind of hot. I can kind of touch it a little bit. But yeah, I'll let it cool and then we can start assembling. Guys, in its complete form, the red looks so good. It's almost like a maroon or like a blood red. I don't know, it really suits the car. I quite like it. It looks much better in person. And I found some red cable ties to conjoin the redness. And I've also polished the exhaust and done a general clean with a new filter. So in the montage, guys, I will show you it running. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this awesome video. If you do like it, please do smash that like button, comment down below, and possibly subscribe if you really enjoyed my work. But till next time, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for the montage.